Upgraded part solutions. In ZW3D 2020, the PARTsolutions add-in has been upgraded to provide more extensive standards in Part Library. Let's take a look. Click the Part Solution button in the App tab. The newly added 17 national standards in Part Library are available if you choose the paid Part Solution plan. With the national standards, you can easily find the standard parts which meet the domestic production standards or the product standards of export countries. Let's choose a suitable bolt. Double-click the item. You can see the thumbnail and parameter setting column. Modify the diameter and length in the parameter setting column. Following that, transfer the part to ZW3D. Adjust the position. Then assemble the parts together. Similarly, we can add other parts in the same way. Besides, PARTsolutions supports keyword search, so that you can find the parts by standard codes and import them into ZW3D. With the paid PARTsolutions add-in, you will quickly get a lot of national standard parts and increase design efficiency.